So I found this workshop really interesting because it's really interesting to see other manufacturing fields and other industries having the same issues that we're having with rolling out AR into our industry. So we're using technicians out in our dealer network who are repairing our vehicles, so our 5 branded vehicles, Volkswagen, Audi, Seat, Skoda and commercial vehicles. And we're using it to fix the vehicle. So when they can't fix the vehicle, we get a call to them and we talk them through the issue, we diagnose it, or we guide them through the repair process on their vehicle. And it's very interesting seeing other industries having the same take-up problems, if you like, with the users, and also the same security issues, the Wi-Fi issues, bandwidth. It's just really enlightening and really, I don't know, is gratifying the right word? That it's nice to see that we're not the only ones having the issues. At the moment with AR, we are rolling it out just to after sales, just to our technicians in the dealer network, because other areas of our business in the UK aren't looking at it at all. I know globally the factories are looking at it for sales and production, but for after sales they're not, so it's just us. And at the moment we are the forefront, if you like. So Mark and myself, we're pushing forward with it, and our manager Metin, we're pushing. That's it, we're right at the front pushing it forward.